Merlin, network magic, a teaser. Hey everybody, John Capobianco here. Let me get right into it. This is a teaser, and let me show you what's happening here. This right here, let's do show run int lo 100. There is no loopback 100. This is an ISR up in the cloud. So let's go here to my intent, my data model, and add the loopback 100 with a description of Merlin, just as YAML intent. And let's see the power of network automation. We're going to run the job, and let's watch it run here. Now what's happening is I'm building an intended config from that YAML data model you saw, Jinja 2 templates. We package it up, FTP it to the cloud, download it to the router, and then trigger a config replace. And look at, we have, warning, there are changes. We've added interface loopback 100. Did it work? Show run int loop 100. There it is. Now the real power, because we're using config replace. Can we just delete it? And you're going to say, John, you're crazy. You can't just delete things like that because it's a CLI and it's imperative, and you have to know that out. What are you doing? This is never going to work. Using the power of config replace, I've overcome that barrier, and check it out. Here we go. Warning, there are changes. We've removed loopback 100. Is it there? It is not there. All right, so if this is exciting for you, if you want to check this out, I'm going to be posting the full development video on how this was done from start to finish, from a tweet that I saw in the community that sparked an idea in my head to what you just saw now. Stay tuned. This was just a teaser.